Is it the right time to buy or sell Coinbase stock? In this video, we're delving deep into Coinbase. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 25, 2024, our system ranked Coinbase as a sell candidate with a score of -1.53. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has actually outperformed our system's prediction, showing a gain of 3.46%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 1.73% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $122.17 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and potentially a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 51.21% change over the next 3 months, with a return range between 47.54% and 151.61%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 72.58% change over the next year, with a potential return between 24.79% and 165.36%. This translates to a price range of $156.24 to $332.23 after a year. Our latest daily update for Coinbase reveals a positive development: green day on Friday for Coinbase. On the last trading day, Friday, January 26, 2024, the Coinbase stock price increased by 3.46%, from $121.01 to $125.20. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 5.47%, reaching a low of $121.46 and a high of $128.10. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 6 of the past 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -11.31% during this period. However, there was a notable increase in volume, indicating a positive technical sign. In fact, 6 million more shares were traded compared to the day before, with a total of 14 million shares bought and sold, representing approximately $1.71 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest stock price reached $187.39, while the lowest price was $46.45. Currently, the price stands at 33.19% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $62.19. Furthermore, it is 70.85% below the all-time high, which occurred on April 14, 2021, when the price reached $429.54. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Coin a grade of underperform with a recommended action to hold. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Wedbush gave Coin a grade of buy with a recommended action to hold. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Citigroup gave Coin a grade of neutral with a recommended action to hold. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, Wedbush gave Coin a grade of outperform with a recommended action to hold. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Needham gave Coin a grade of underperform with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given Coinbase stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio as a good buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Coinbase. Let's take a look at the stock's performance. Currently, there are mixed signals. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, while the long-term average indicates a sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, the overall forecast for the stock leans towards a more negative outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $147.85. On the other hand, if it falls, there is some support from the short-term average at $124.15. Breaking above the long-term average would provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average would strengthen the sell signal. Interestingly, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a decline of -32.82% so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's worth noting that the volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was observed 20 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 56 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, it indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Coinbase. Coinbase has found support from accumulated volume at $124.75. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can experience significant volatility throughout the day, making it a very high-risk investment. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $6.64 or 5.47% between its high and low points. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.66%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Coinbase, let's start by going over some important fundamental data. The first piece of information we need to understand is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they are experiencing losses or negative earnings. Established companies can also face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it could indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 20, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates currently stand at $0.220. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for Coinbase. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Coinbase stands at $130.78. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, for those who already have a stake in the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if we consider the downside, Coinbase encounters its initial support level at $124.75. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the near future. The average rating for Coinbase from multiple analysts is neutral. Now let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 18, 2024, Rajaram Gokul sold 1,145 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersam Frederick Ernest III sold 8,200 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersam Frederick Ernest III sold 33,864 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersum Frederick Ernest III sold 26,182 shares of Class A common stock. On January 17, 2024, Ersum Frederick Ernest III sold 23,898 shares of Class A common stock. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -45.152. Overall, insiders purchased 221,942 shares and sold 596,898 shares in the last 100 trades. We regret to inform you that our evaluation for this stock is negative and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Coinbase stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Coinbase currently shows several negative signals, leading us to believe that it may perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. When trading begins on Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Coinbase to open with a decrease of $0.280 and start trading at $124.92. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thanks for being here with us.